Deciding which database service from AWS to use is difficult. If you are struggling with this, don't worry. We're going to help you to go through this challenging task. The first thing to understand is that choosing a database requires you to make not one, but different decisions. Collectively, they will provide you with the confidence you need to choose wisely. Hi, my name is Ricardo Ferreira, and I'm a developer advocate with AWS. It is my privilege to help you choose a database service. To start things off, I recommend you to spend some time understanding the different database types available. Each one provides unique strength that may suit your workload better. Speaking of which, understanding your workload is also required for you to know what to expect from each database. For instance, your transaction requirements will play a major role when deciding between an OLTP and an OLAP database. While choosing a database, there are many aspects you must take into consideration. It makes a difference if you are doing some lift and shift of existing databases or if you are involved in a greenfield project. Think about all the data, operational, reliability, performance, and security consideration of the ideal database. Let them guide how the chosen database should look like. When it comes for you to decide, choose from the different databases available at AWS based on situational questions like when certain databases should be used, as well as what type of optimization they provide. Talk to your development team about what set of features would make their lives easier, which programming model and database engines they are used to, and what are the data accessing patterns. If I could offer you an advice, don't miss the chance to spend some time using your chosen database. AWS makes it really easy for you to play with them without worrying about infrastructure. You can use the different guides available in the documentation to get you up and running with the database in no time. Using the database before moving to production will help you confirm your decision. Finally, remember that the world of databases is not a panacea. You should explore your chosen database over the lenses of different roles, such as developers, solution architects, and decision makers. Exploring the database along with analytics technologies like Amazon Redshift, Kinesis, and MSK is also a good idea. We hope this decision guide helps you on the journey of choosing a database. If you need more information about how to choose a database, check the decision guide available in the AWS documentation. The link is on the description below. We can't wait to see the amazing things you are going to build on AWS.
Hey there! Thanks for checking out this video. Remember to give it a like and share with your community. Then hit subscribe and the bell for all the latest content that will help you build on AWS.